You work hard for your money. Every single day you put in the effort, the hours, and the dedication. It shouldn't disappear like magic every month. You deserve to see the fruits of your labor. It's time to take control and tell your money where to go. Create a plan that works for you. No more wondering where it all went. Take the mystery out of your finances. With a little planning, you can make your money work as hard as you do. Explore your options and make informed decisions. It's about making choices that set you up for success, both now and in the future. Think long-term and short-term. This isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress. Small steps can lead to big changes. We'll break down a simple system to help you manage your money like a pro. From budgeting to saving, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to cover your needs, enjoy some guilt-free fun, and still have room for those little indulgences and still reach your financial goals. Ready to get started? Let's do this. Together we can make your financial dreams a reality. Let me introduce you to your new best friend, the 50/30/20 rule. This rule is a game changer when it comes to managing your finances effectively. It's a simple system for dividing your income after taxes into 3 distinct categories. 50% goes to your needs, which include essential expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% is allocated to your wants, covering non-essential items and leisure activities that make life enjoyable. And 20% is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. Easy, right? This ensures you're building a secure financial future. Think of your money like a pie. You're slicing it into 3 pieces, each serving a crucial purpose. The biggest slice, 50%, goes to the things you absolutely need. These are your non-negotiables, the essentials you can't live without. This includes housing, food, transportation, and healthcare. It's important to prioritize these expenses to ensure your basic needs are met. The next slice, 30%, is for the fun stuff. This is your discretionary spending, allowing you to enjoy life a little. This is your chance to indulge in hobbies, dining out, and entertainment without guilt. And finally, the last 20% is for building your future. This is where you save and pay off debt, ensuring long-term financial stability. This portion helps you prepare for emergencies, invest in your future, and achieve your financial goals. By following the 50/30/20 rule, you can create a balanced and sustainable budget that works for you. Needs are the essentials. These are things you can't live without. Think of it as the foundation of your budget. This includes housing, utilities, food, transportation, and basic healthcare. These costs should make up the largest chunk of your spending. Be honest with yourself about what you truly need. Can you downsize your apartment? Find a cheaper grocery store? Carpool to work? Cutting back on needs frees up more money for wants and savings. Remember, this isn't about deprivation, it's about being smart with your money. Section 4. Wants, spending smart. Wants are the fun stuff. This is where you get to enjoy your money. Think dining out, movies, travel, hobbies, and shopping. These are things that make life more enjoyable. But remember, wants are the first to go. If you're struggling financially, before you splurge, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it bring me lasting joy, or is it just a fleeting want? Be mindful of your spending habits. Track where your money goes. You might be surprised how much you're spending on things you don't even care about. Section 5. Savings your future self will thank you. Saving is crucial for financial stability and peace of mind. It's about building a safety net for unexpected expenses and planning for the future. This means being prepared for life's uncertainties. This includes building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, and ensuring you have enough to live comfortably in your golden years, and saving for big purchases like a house or a car. Start small and be consistent. Even if it's just a few dollars a week, it all adds up over time. Automate your savings to make it easier. Set up a direct deposit from your checking account to your savings account. This way you won't even miss the money. Out of sight, out of mind. And remember, the sooner you start saving, the better. Time is on your side. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to saving. The earlier you begin, the more you can accumulate. You're in control now. The 50/30/20 rule is a great starting point, but feel free to adjust it based on your individual needs and goals. The most important thing is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. You've got this.